With 56,000 maternal and 900,000 newborn deaths, India accounts for 19% of all maternal and 29% of all newborn deaths globally. Accredited social health activists, ASHAs, India's cadre of community health workers, could prevent a large number of these deaths by supporting women and their families to access skilled care at birth, adopt healthy measures, recognize maternal and neonatal danger signs, and promptly seek care. However, existing paper-based job aids such as text-heavy reference materials, difficult to carry counseling flipbooks, complex newborn checklists and reporting formats hinder ASHAs to optimally contribute to improved maternal and newborn health outcomes. In this context, the Manthan project, funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and led by Intra Health International, developed and tested M-Sakhi. M-Sakhi is an interactive, vernacular, audio-video guided mobile application that provides support to ASHAs in conducting day-to-day activities across the mother and child continuum of care. M-Sakhi uniquely combines the functions of existing multiple paper-based tools and provides ASHAs with critical maternal and newborn health information. M-Sakhi not only helps ASHAs in managing and scheduling their home visits, but also assists them in counseling and assessment. Auxiliary nurse midwives use M-Sakhi for real-time monitoring of ASHA activities. M-Sakhi's content is based on the National Rural Health Mission training manuals and home-based newborn care guidelines. Let's see how M-Sakhi works. An ASHA registers a pregnant woman into M-Sakhi. In case she is not comfortable writing, she can register a beneficiary by recording her name
Mohini Rajkumar
and tagging a photo. During the pregnancy, ASHA counsels beneficiaries using multimedia messages.
ये बहुत जरूरी है कि ANM-DD डॉक्टर या नर्स
M-Sakhi help ASHAs prioritize messages as per the stage of pregnancy. Once the woman delivers, ASHA captures the birth in M-Sakhi and it in turn generates a postnatal home visit schedule for ASHAs. The schedule is again color-coded for easy readability. A postnatal visit using M-Sakhi helps ASHA counsel mother and families on home-based care, assess the newborn and mother for danger signs, classify sickness and provide treatment or referral as indicated. The ANM as well is informed of all key indicators for her ASHAs on her mobile phone in a real-time basis using a screen widget and M-Sakhi ANM app. M-Sakhi currently generates monthly HBNC home visit voucher cum report for ASHAs to claim their incentives. The M-Sakhi web interface allows real-time monitoring by health officials. M-Sakhi's impact was evaluated through 2 operation research studies which showed encouraging results. M-Sakhi's average monthly use per ASHA as a self-learning and counseling tool increased from 54 minutes to 121 minutes during the study period. Moreover, the counseling skills and ability of ASHAs to deliver complete and relevant messages to beneficiaries was significantly better among the ASHAs using M-Sakhi. Knowledge of ASHAs using M-Sakhi on mother and child health issues was found to be significantly more than their peers using paper-based tools. Ashas using M-Sakhi during the postnatal home visits were much more likely to identify sick newborns than Ashas using paper tools. The beneficiaries also show a greater liking for M-Sakhi.
समझाया नहीं है, समझ में आता है। अब मोबाइल दिखाएं तो सब कुछ समझ में आएगा। अच्छा रहा।
दिक्कत है, पहले बहुत ही झोला ला दो, सब लोगों को इकट्ठा करो। अब हम घर घर चले गए तो एक एक को लेकर हम पूरा दिखा देते हैं। मोबाइल लेकर चले जाते हैं, क्या लादना है हमें।